Okay, so here we are. Eating Your Feed, the show where people like me get challenged to try and recreate viral food recipes. My friend Adam is challenging me today to make Japanese fluffy pancakes. Not a lot of steps, but it's going to require some skill. It's the perfect level for my level of cooking, which is amateur at best, but I'm optimistic. Hand mixer on the egg whites, getting it to a nice stiff fluff there. Okay, so now they're adding the pancake mix into the 3.5-inch molds. So they put the lid on, it rises 10 minutes. Now, the flip is going to be very difficult. That is pancake perfection right there. I love pancakes, straight up. So to help me today is our food expert, Rie.
Hi.
Thank you for coming.
What are you making today?
Fluffy Japanese pancakes.
Okay. Yeah, have you eaten Japanese pancake before?
No, so.
So egg whites is the most important part of this fluffy pancake. If you overmix it, it becomes very crumbly. It's not that difficult. I don't want to scare you or anything. Good luck.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, in here we have our molds. Can you imagine? I mean, are we like living in Looney Tune land where pancakes are this tall and fluffy? So right now we're going to take 2 egg yolks, 1/4 cup of sugar. Do people in other countries get stressed out when they watch us cooking just because they wish we were saying it in the metric system? It's about time we switch, huh? 1/2 cup of milk, every last drop. 3/4 cup of pancake mix. That looks like 3/4. What do you think, guys at home? It's going in. All right, whisking together. We have that. Now we're going to add our 4 egg whites. Here's 2. Okay, that's 3. All right, 4. Let's plug in our hand mixer. Okay, we're in. No, that is a great question, Adam. I've never hand mixed. Just not gonna overthink it, just gonna go for it. So that's what that button does. Okay, things are in. Oh, so maybe it just needs to be unlocked. Nope. Okay. We know what that button does. In. Do I just gotta beat it by hand? I mean, that's impossible, right? I don't wanna do that at all. Okay, new mixer. Okay. What the F? I think we just have a bad power source. All right, so we have a bad plug. Let's go. The noise. We're going all the way to 6, by the way. The volume is increasing. I'd say we're triple, maybe quadruple the original volume. Close. Ooh, no, it's staying. It's staying. The peak is staying. Okay, let's see the tasty video. Let's see how peaked up that got. No, yeah, this is it. I think I might have overdone it. We're gonna get in there, but just slightly. We want these to mix together, but we don't wanna lose the whip. I think it's too crumbly. Maybe not though. It's not that far off. Let's go for it. Let's get our heat going. We're gonna put this on the lowest heat. Okay, there's 1. All right, both are in. We've greased up our molds. Go, 3/4 of the way in. Okay, let's cover it. Okay, pulling it off, trying to separate. Jesus, disaster. Sorry, folks. Yeah, okay, well, this is a failure. This is a miserable failure. My God, what is happening here, Patrick? I don't think the flame was high enough, although it rose. So what the hell does that mean? I don't know. It smells fantastic though. So first attempt, didn't work. What did we learn? Flame will be a little bit higher and maybe try them one at a time. I don't know. Second attempt, we're gonna use what was left in the batter. Put the lid on. I was using a fish spatula last time because that's what they used in the video, but now I'm gonna use this one because I can probably hook it in a lot better. Bubbling up at the top, looking very similar to what we were doing before. It's making all types of cracking noises. Stop doing that. If I was someone else, if I was Rie, you'd be doing what you need to do. But for me, 2 minutes, we're getting high. Look how high that is. I've never cooked a pancake on one side for 10 minutes. All right, it smells delicious. Motherfucker! No! Oh man, well, we burnt the bottom of that one. We knew that. So we need to adjust the heat. You gotta figure out a better way to flip it though. These tongs aren't it. These can't do it. I greased up the inside. Do I need to grease it way more? Oh yeah, that pancakey clog your windpipe. This is fluffy. They weren't lying. It is everything you wanted on the inside. Definitely more eggy, but try it. It's pretty good. Yeah, not bad. With syrup, butter, the whole thing. Uh-oh.
How is it going?
What is the best way to flip it?
I think this is not a good one.
Not the good
Let
one?
me get the good one.
Okay, bad tongs. These aren't tasty tongs. That was the problem. You know, I'm ready to sell out so hard, but no one will give me a shot at selling out.
What do you sell out?
I would sell out for a surprisingly low amount. 2019, I'm gonna be a micro-influencer.
What did I miss? What were you guys talking about?
I wanna sell out.
Okay.
Because I was saying how these aren't any good,
Uh-huh.
and I would love to do an advertisement for a really good brand.
Oh, like tasty?
Yes!
Only at Walmart.
You see how good she is at that? I wanna do that. Oh my God, that was so easy. Oh, you can feel the silicone versus
It sounds like an infomercial.
plastic. Oh my. All right, well that answers that. I'm gonna mix them up. Yeah, that's stiff. Let's go. Okay, that looks decent. Let's grease the molds. Okay, that looks about 3/4. Cover it up. 10 minutes, 8 minutes. We're seeing some bubbling on top.
How do you normally top your pancakes?
A little powdered sugar is fantastic. 5 minutes. Oh, my spatula. Ooh, boy, it's hitting the top. All right, wait. Off. Oh, shit, guys. All right. Everyone relax. Okay, get it low, get it low. God, I hate the way this is shaking. I hate the way this is shaking! That looks good. That brown, Rie was right about the temperature. It overflowed like crazy, my goodness. Oh, put this back on! You can't get ahead of yourself with cooking, Pat. I mean, how many times do we have to talk about this? Well, the tongs worked, so that's good. 1 minute, oh my God. Remember when square plates were the thing? It'd be embarrassing to have that in your home now. Yeah! Oh my God. What do we think? I mean, it's brown. It's not light brown, but it's brown. Oh. All right, so the presentation of this plate, not great. So now that I've gotten this far, I'm going to try and make 2 at the same time and see if I can stack them up, and then I'll have some friends over to try it out. So last attempt, we're gonna try and make 2, and instead of using vegetable oil to grease up the molds, we're going to use spray canola oil. Hopefully that'll make it slide out a little bit better. Okay, 2. Got our batter here. Okay, just a little bit more. 10 minutes. 4 minutes. Yeah, it's rising. 2 minutes. Matter of seconds. Oh man, look how much they've risen. 249, flipping. Come on, man, you can do it. You can do it, bro. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Why not me? 1, 2, 23 skidoo. Here we go. Oh my God, a laptop just fell. Everything's crazy right now. We're flipping anyways, baby. Oh, frick, I ruined it. Oh God, why? God, no. All right, screw it. This is the last one. All right, here we go. Mother. Who cares? Honestly, who cares? Whatever, put it back on. I'll cut around it. This sucks. This really sucks. Cooking's fun, right, guys? Yeah.
That first one that you messed up has already risen back a little, so I think you might be good still.
Adam is trying to cheer me up behind the camera. Maybe these are salvageable, who knows? We'll see how my mood is in 4 minutes, so let's check back in then. All right, let's take them out. They look way better. You know, my kids are getting these and they're liking them. That's how this goes in my house. You wanna cry about it? Well, guess who's not eating fluffy Japanese pancakes? I'm gonna try and cut these out using a method that Adam came up with. By pushing down, hopefully that eliminates everything there and then I can just flick it up. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh my God, Adam. You little whiz kid, you freaking figured it out. Oh, okay, there's one. Whoa! And all the sins are forgiven of that terrible flip. 2. All right. Oh my God, guys. Breakfast is served. Wow. Comment below what you think, because to me, not bad. Let's cut the butter. Now that's just the bun. Oh no, we'll flip it over. Yep, we'll flip it over. Hell yeah, dude, we'll flip it over. Here it is, guys.
Wow, that's
jiggly.
Jiggly.
Yeah, man, that's.
Slap it.
I'm not gonna slap it. You slap it. Oh wow.
Nice bounce.
Sturdy.
Yeah.
How many times did you try?
This is the 4th time?
Oh wow, okay.
Very good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's good.
Oh yeah, right there.
I like all the
know.
butter.
No.
Wow.
Look like a cake.
It
Whoa,
does.
just jumping in.
Get in there, get in there, get in there.
Has anyone had a restaurant version of this before?
Me.
How does this compare?
I think, yeah, you nailed it.
Great. Wow.
Patrick.
Thank you.
Look at you. You're gonna whip this out on like the weekends now?
I know.
Yeah, I'm into it.
I'd say the flip was the most challenging part. I'm sure there's like an algorithm to figuring out the right speed versus velocity of rotation, et cetera, et cetera. Give me 10,000 hours, check back in. We'll see where I'm at. Well, I'm proud of myself. This has been another episode of Eating Your Feed.
I'm proud of you too.
Hey, thanks,
This is
everybody.
great.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Oh yes!